In this quick guide, I will show you how to add free download manager extension to your Google Chrome browser. Just open up free download manager in your computer. On the top right, go to main menu and then click on preferences. In the preferences menu, click on browser integration. Here we have an option download extension for Edge, download extension for Google Chrome, download Firefox extension. Let's download Google Chrome extension. Now here we are at Chrome Web Store and we are ready to download extension for free download manager. Let's click on Add to Chrome. Again click on Add extension. Now here you go. We got free download manager extension added to our Google Chrome browser. Let's test it by downloading any file from the internet. I want to download VLC. Download VLC, and here we got our download directly into free download manager. And if you want to know how to download free download manager in your computer, go ahead and watch the video showing in the card above and also mentioned in the video description. So that's it about today's video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.